was fantastic to hear Gokul and Ansari talk about the journey when they were talking about text extraction, document AI, document analytics. Obviously, there was twinkle in our eyes because that's what we do every day for the living, right? For 4+ decades, RRD GO Creative has been a pioneer in offering marketing and back office support to some of the large leading corporations globally. Many of our customers, in our experience, they come to us with one request, right? And the common theme is that they want to make their operations one, digital, two, intelligent. And as a result, what it means is it makes them more efficient and more resilient. Resilience because it's digital and intelligent, right? When we think about how do we take our partners, our customers towards that transformation journey, in our experience, the biggest roadblock has always been lack of digitization at the source. The upstream processes, the information that comes in, whether it's an insurance company, whether it's a banking company, whether it's a professional services firm, the biggest roadblock is how do you convert the tons of email that Ansari was referring to, the tons of emails and documents and forms. How do you make them intelligent in terms of machine readable? And that's where we come in as an organization. Through Loft, which is our open innovation ecosystem, what we try to do is we work with these emerging technologies, whether it is AI, whether it is machine learning. We have a huge number of data scientists and developers. We try and bring all these different emerging technologies together to solve real customer problems. And one common theme that exists, a synergy between Botminds and RRD, is that we believe in human in the loop solution, because the technology is going to evolve, as Ansari said, right? Every year, every day, every minute, we see some change or the other. But it is important that we have a human in the loop solution to make sure that there is data integrity and reliability that the customers can experience. So in addition to working and creating and co-creating solutions at the Loft, what the Loft, the innovation platform, also does for us is it works with partners like Botmind, and brings the partnership forward to help with rapid deployment and rapid prototyping. And with that, we are really excited with this strategic partnership with Botmind. And while it's strategic today, but as I said, we've been working with Botmind since 5 years, right from first POC, and then have been continuously interacting in terms of the industry use cases. So what we are excited most about this platform is, one, it helps in rapid deployment, matter of weeks before you can actually start testing your hypothesis. It is human in the loop, where means it's not a black box solution. We are able to manage, navigate, and try and get to the ideal outcome in terms of the performance. And the third piece, of course, is its ability to read handwritten notes. That's a fantastic place to be in. Lastly, what we are now dabbling with is the analytics, the document analytics, and the intelligence it provides for our customers to manage operations. Botminds and Go Creative, together we intend to take customized point solutions to some of our very large customers, and the particular industry in focus would be professional services firms and BFSI segment. Of course, it's a given that we have a strong track record in these two industries today. Just to reel off some numbers, when you talk about professional services firms, we work with the best legal firms globally. We work with the best consulting firms globally. We work with the best investment banks and audit firms globally. And the reason I picked this as an example is, if you take, AmLaw 20 top 20 legal firms in the US, we work with more than 40% of them today. And the reason I bring this specific industry is, when you talk about documents, now this industry thrives on document and information, whether it is audit reports, whether it is company research, whether it is industry benchmark reports. There are loads and loads of information that this industry actually works on. And part of our service portfolio on how do we turbocharge the fee earners in this industry and remove some of the time they take to understand and decipher these documents, we obviously use our own platforms and companies like Botminds to turbocharge their productivity. Now, with that as the background, of course, we think that Botminds will definitely help us and add toolkits to our existing portfolio and deepen or expand our market share with BFSI and with professional services industries. We have obviously established a dedicated team today who are in the process of not just getting the certification in mastering the tool and also evaluating use cases from across industry spectrum. I spoke about investment banks, right? So there is a big need for any investment banker to go out there and get company research, company profiles done. I mean, you want to understand the financials of the company, you want to talk about, what the ratios are, you need to understand and find out what are the recent announcements from a company like Google or Apple. So what we are building on today is a tool that can automate this entire piece from an investment banker journey perspective, and solution Botmind provides in terms of extracting financial information from unstructured or structured database is going to be a key part of that overall tool. So what it would mean from a investment banker or a user perspective, all that you need to do is send a voice note saying, I need to understand the performance of Amazon based on last 3 years filing, and our tool and technology and point solution, which is homegrown, and then Botminds is going to be a supplemental tool on top of that, is going to be providing the information automated in an automated fashion to the bankers. So that's one example. You will also see another example little later in the session, which is basically the 401k, how we are using Botminds as a tool to extract handwritten information from traditional forms, whether it is insurance forms or retirement forms or whatever. I would like to sum it up that this partnership is critical component for our automation journey, and we see that this will grow our client base leaps and bounds in years to come. So all the best for everything you guys have done till date, and looking forward to all the innovation that's coming our way, and for us to be able to continue to delight our customers with strong partners like you.
Thanks, Kaushik. When you mentioned, the partnership going back like 5 years, literally I got reminded about our first meeting where we are talking about, solving some of the complex challenges RRD GO Creative facing. It materialized. I thank you as well as the team, your team, for all the support. And I mean, maybe I like to bring one point because you talked about dedicated team. Now, yes, 20 plus members in RRD Go, I believe, trained in Botman's platform. It reached a stage like nowadays. Okay, we identify an opportunity and immediately ask, okay, is it Botman's team doing it or RRD team? And I think last few scenarios, RRD team themselves, delivered that or achieved that level of accuracy they want or level of efficiency they want. One such solution going to be showcased in the solution showcase. So that's the level of maturity we achieved in the partnership. All thrilled and all excited to see the next phase of our partnership. Thanks again, Team RRD. Thanks again, Kaushik.
Thank you so much.